Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to visit one of the 7 wonders of the world, and that is the Great Pyramid of Giza. The gigantic structure made of limestone is the oldest and the biggest of the 3 pyramids at the Giza Plateau. It was built as a tomb for the 4th dynasty Egyptian pharaoh Khufu and is the only remaining wonder of the ancient world. It's no surprise that this place gets about 6 million visitors every year. The construction of this amazing site began around 2580 BC, and it took an estimated 20 to 30 years to complete. It has survived for thousands of years and still stands strong. The interior of the pyramid consists of several chambers and passages. The main chamber is located deep inside the pyramid and is accessible through a narrow passageway. Unfortunately, this place is off-limits to tourists. The king's chamber is where the sarcophagus of Pharaoh Khufu is believed to have been placed, although his body has never been found. Archaeologists think that it might have been lost during an earthquake, or perhaps it was never even here in the first place. Regardless, this place is definitely worth a visit. The second chamber is known as the Queen's Chamber. This is a small room located near the base of the Great Pyramid. It is not actually a queen's chamber, but it may have been intended as a burial chamber for the pharaoh's wife. Like the king's chamber, this place is also off-limits to tourists. There is also a third chamber, which is known as the Grand Gallery. This is a long, narrow passageway with a slightly sloping ceiling. It leads from the Queen's Chamber to the King's Chamber. This place is also off-limits to tourists, but it is truly a sight to behold. If you are planning to visit this place, then make sure to wear comfortable shoes as you will do a lot of walking. Also, make sure to bring plenty of water with you as it can get very hot and you don't want to get dehydrated. The best time to visit this place is in the early morning or late afternoon when the sun is not as intense. You should also be prepared for crowds, especially during the peak season. So try to visit this place during the off-season if you want to avoid the crowds. The entrance fee for the Giza Plateau, including the Great Pyramid, is 140 Egyptian pounds for foreigners and 20 pounds for Egyptians. You can buy tickets online or at the gate. Once you're at the plateau, you can explore the pyramids and the Sphinx as much as you like. But if you want to go inside the pyramid, you will need to purchase a separate ticket. Tickets for going inside the pyramid cost 600 Egyptian pounds for foreigners and 250 pounds for Egyptians. However, I do not recommend going inside the pyramid as it is very crowded and there is not much to see. The view from the top of the pyramid is definitely worth it, though. But unfortunately, the elevator is closed for tourists. You can climb the stairs to the top of the pyramid, but I would not recommend doing this if you are afraid of heights. There are also several restaurants and cafes on the plateau where you can eat and drink. The prices are a bit high, but the food is good. There are also several souvenir shops where you can buy things like clothes, jewelry, and leather products. The prices are a bit expensive, but you can always haggle with the vendors. Overall, the Great Pyramid of Giza is definitely worth visiting. It is truly a magnificent structure and a testament to the engineering skills of the ancient Egyptians. Just make sure to be prepared for crowds and heat, and you will have a great time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. We wish you a happy journey. Take care and goodbye.